If you're someone who likes to travel, you've probably heard of the Capital One Venture Credit Card. Known for its travel benefits, it's one of the most popular travel rewards credit cards out there. I've had it now for about 4 years, so I've had a good amount of experience using the card and racking up points that's helped me to travel all over the world. So you have everything that you need to know if the Capital One Venture Credit Card is right for you. We're going to be diving into the card's benefits and fees, including travel points, and the current offer available, and of course, a summary of the pros and cons like we do in all of our credit card reviews. We'll also get into how to maximize your rewards with the Capital One Venture Card, and if you're considering Capital One's newer card, the Capital One Venture X card, I got you covered too. We have a full review that includes everything you need to know, which I'll link down below in the description. Hey everyone, my name is Neil and I run Roundup Save with my wife Jenna. We're all about helping to demystify money so we can build wealth that lasts. If that sounds like something that's interesting to you, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel so we can learn together. All right, let's start off with the travel points. You can earn 2 miles for every dollar you spend and 5 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through the Capital One travel portal. These miles can be redeemed for travel expenses like flights, hotels, rental cars, so you can save big on your next trip. And the best part, there's no limit to how many miles you can earn, and they never expire as long as your account is open. Another great benefit of the Capital One Venture Card is the sign-up bonus. Keep in mind that the offer changes up every few months, but as of filming this video, Capital One's sign-up bonus offer is 75,000 bonus points once you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from when your account opens. For context, according to Wallet Hub, 75,000 Capital One miles is equivalent to $525 US. So that's really a lot of points that can help you to offset the cost of your next trip. $4,000 is definitely a lot of money to be spending in a 3-month period to unlock the offer. So what I recommend is to get the card when you know that you're gonna have some big expenses coming up. Like maybe you're moving to a new apartment. Another option though, which I've done in the past, is you could pay for some of your friends or family members' expenses with the card during that 3-month window and just have them pay you back separately. All right, let's talk fees now. So the Capital One Venture Card has an annual fee of $95, which is waived in the first year. And this fee is on par with cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but not nearly as high as its younger brother, the Capital One Venture X Card, which I believe has an annual fee of $395 last time I checked. The only thing I will say about the Capital One Venture X card is it does have a $300 annual travel credit. So in the end, it's pretty much also $95 annually. Another awesome perk is there's no transaction fees, which makes it a great card when you're traveling internationally. Just in case you're also considering the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card, I also have that card and I did a full review on it, which I'll link down below in the description. So how do you get the most out of your rewards? Well, it's simple. Use your card for all of your travel expenses like flights, hotels, rental cars, and even taxis or ride shares. And you're gonna be earning 2 miles for every dollar you spend on these types of purchases. If you really want to maximize your rewards though, take advantage of Capital One's transfer partners. So Capital One has over 15 transfer partners, including airlines like JetBlue and Emirates, hotel chains like Marriott and Wyndham. By transferring your miles to these partners, you can often get more value out of your rewards than if you were to really just redeem them on the Capital One portal itself. And we have a video that outlines step-by-step how to combine credit card miles and airline points, which I'll link down below in the description as well. To qualify for the Capital One Venture Card, you must have an excellent credit level, and Capital One defines that basically to mean you've never declared bankruptcy or defaulted on a loan, and you don't have a history of paying recent loans or other credit cards later than 60 days from when the bills are due. Here's the full guideline for your reference. All right, and finally for the pros and cons of the credit card. For the pros, the card comes with a generous rewards program. You can earn 2 miles for every dollar you spend, and that can really add up quickly, especially when you use your card for travel expenses. Next up is going to be flexible redemption options. You can redeem your miles for travel expenses like flights, hotels, and rental cars. Plus, there's no blackout dates or seat restrictions. The next pro would be travel partners. You can transfer your miles to over 15 travel partners, including airlines and hotel chains, which can often give you even more value for your rewards. Sign-up bonus. The Capital One Venture card offers a generous sign-up bonus like we covered, which can help to offset the annual fee or even the cost of your next trip. No transaction fees. You won't be charged any additional transaction fees when using the card abroad, making it a really, really good option for international travelers. All right, and for the cons, well, there's that annual fee. While the first year's annual fee is waived, the Capital One Venture card does have an annual fee of $95, which can really just be a turnoff for some people. Another con is going to be the high spending requirements for unlocking that sign-up bonus that we talked about. To earn the full sign-up bonus, you're going to need to spend $4,000 in the first 3 months from when your account opens, which can be difficult for some people and might mean that you want to wait until you know you have some big expenses that are coming up. Another con is the limited bonus categories. While the Capital One Venture card offers a really solid rewards program, it only offers 2 miles per dollar on travel expenses. And so if you're looking for a card that offers higher rewards on specific categories like dining or groceries, you may want to consider a different card. Overall though, I will say the Capital One Venture card is a really good option for those who travel frequently and want a card that offers flexible redemption options or transfer to travel partners. However, if you're not a big traveler or you're looking for a card that offers higher rewards in specific categories besides travel, you may want to consider a different card. All right, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any specific questions or if you have the card already and you have experience using it, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, until next time, take care and see you in the next one.